If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
So I think the last part which is remaining for your charge calculation is we just need to check now if the charge calculation is flowing into the freight order, right? That was the last part which is remaining. So this is BD1. Okay. So what was the freight agreement number we had? Okay, so this was the freight agreement we had, right? So let me just open the freight agreement.
Is not visible.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Next, I go to MWBC. So if I go to my agreement, so you have to check my agreement. I go to my contract management. Okay. So I go to display agreement. And here I need to enter my agreement number. I click on continue. And here, if I go to my particular locations, let me check my rate table, display rate table, dates and values. And here it's TSPD with POLBRE and ZOGF FTLDE. Okay. So this is the freight agreement I have. So what I will do, let me create a new sales order. Okay. Let me close this. So if I go to my ECC stuff, 61 meter. So if I go to ECC, and here if I create a sales order, I create with a reference. To 944, I click on copy. I do charge calculation. In the evening we will do. Okay. So here I will start here charge calculation. Okay, I change the dates and all. I put the date as 17th. I go to incompletion log just to check. Jobs. Two 3083. I deliver. I click on sell. Go to my delivery. Go to my status. So what is my freight unit number? So my freight unit number is 1707. Okay. So I go to my transportation cockpit. I go to planning. I go to cockpit. I go to my planning tool. I click on continue. So 1706, right?
1707 Virendra.
Acha, 1707, sorry. 1707. And I have my tracks here. So I'll do my planning. Okay. Okay. So I have created my 3 stages. I click on that. Okay. So now let me open this stage, rate unit. Suppose the first stage. So if I go into my document flow, or rather go into the stages tab for my freight unit. So my objective is only to create my freight agreement for TSPD to Port of Bremen, right? So if I go to my freight order, TSPD to Port of Bremen. So I open this freight order. So let me check if my freight order stage is consistent. So my freight order stage is TSPD to Port of Bremen, right? So here is TSPD to Port of Bremen. And my means of transport is ZOG FTL DE. And my means of transport here is ZOG DE FTL AMB. So my means of transport is not correct, right? ZOG FTL DE. So I need to go here. No, FTL DE. Okay, it's there. Okay. ZOG FTL DE. ZOG FTL DE. And I need to check also one more thing. What is my carrier? So here my carrier is DHL and my purchase order is this one. So if I go to DHL, let me see my freight order. So my freight order carrier, if I go edit, I put my carrier here. And what is my purchase order? My purchase order is ZOG PORG1. ZOG PORG1. So hopefully my charge calculation will happen. So I go here, I click on charges, I click on calculate charge. Okay, so it says currency not maintained for charge line. Okay, so this is an error message, I think. Yes, currency not maintained for charge line 20. Let me see what is that. So if I go here to charges tab, so okay, so this is also USD. Okay, and then I click on save button. Okay, and if you go here to my show white details, show white details, and if I see the overview screen, okay, based on this agreement and all, your charges got updated. And the next process, once my charges got updated, my next process would be from here, click on charge and click on settlement document. Okay. So if you see, it says freight unit charge calculation done, and I click on save. So this settlement document is also called as a your draft invoice. The reason it is called as a draft invoice is because unless the settlement document is created, you will not be able to do any accrual posting. That means I will not be able to create my service fee or service entry sheet because my invoicing, my accounting document, all are generated in ECC. It is not supported in TM. Okay. My GL account determination, everything happens there. So for that reason only, you don't have that particular feature available. So for that you need to post. So if I have to post my settlement, I can directly click on save and transfer. So this save and transfer button will transfer your fetch settlement to your ERP for your posting. So we'll further, there are certain configurations to be done, but we'll do that later. Okay. So we'll just today see what is there in the settlement document. So if you see the settlement document contains the settlement document number. This is the configuration of your settlement document type, because again, settlement document is a business document, right? And here, this is the category of the settlement. So that means what is the category of your settlement? This is the settlement date. So date in which your freight settlement got created. And this is the total amount in currency which got captured from your freight order. This is the organizational data, purchase organization, purchasing group. And if you want to have company organization, you can also do it. And this is the payment terms. So payment terms is the terms based on which you need to pay or settle your payables to your carrier. So you can have this captured in your business partner, or you can have this captured in your particular freight agreement as well. This is the account type, manual entry, cash discount. All this information will come based on the payment terms. So because I have not maintained payment terms, all these are zero. This is the gross weight, gross volume, net weight, net volume, quantity information you have here. This is the charges tab. So charges tab here means what is the charge calculation status? What is the total amount in currency which is converted? Total document currency, local currency. So in case your local and document currency differs, then you can have this currency changed here accordingly. And the conversion will happen based on the exchange rate dates. Okay. So you know that for different currency values, we can use the exchange rate to basically do the translation, right? So in case your document currency is in Euro and your local currency is in USD, then you can use the exchange rate to basically trigger this. Okay. Any questions so far? Are you understanding what is settlement document? So settlement document is nothing but it's a shipment cost document, and it captures all information from your freight order. And this is the entire charge calculation process, what you see in your freight order as well. No changes. Then this is the business partner tab. So in the business partner tab, you can see you need to have a role of a carrier and an invoicing party. This is the document flow tab. So document flow tab, see settlement. Settlement is referencing freight order referencing freight unit referencing your delivery referencing your OTR is referencing your sales order. So all the entire flow end to end, you can do it here. Okay.
Okay.
Cost distribution. So cost distribution, I have not basically activated this. Okay, for this particular document type. So that's why you see it blank here. This is the notes tab. So notes tab means the text, like just as in freight order, you can maintain text. In settlement also you can maintain text. And this is the attachment tab. So attachment tab basically has all the attachments if you want to attach something. And finally, this is the administrative data tab. Okay. So if basically your administrative data tab is something which comes into the picture to track and trace what changes and who has made the change. Okay. And this is also the status tab. So status tab means what is the status of your settlement document, whether it is ready for approval, whether it is consistent. And if you are posting your settlement document with ECC, then only you'll get the status transferred. I have not clicked on save and transfer. That's why it is not transferred. And this is not archived. And this is your change documents. Change documents means who has basically changed and what are the information you have on changing. So I think this part is quite clear to everyone. We have already spoken about this long time. Okay, so you can track all the changes. Okay. And this is the output management. The output management means basically what type of outputs you want to have for your specific flow. Then you can use output management to trigger that. So whether you want to do some faxing, emailing, anything what you want to do, you can get all the information from this. Okay. So any other question? Any other question from anyone on settlement document?
No.
Okay. And once you have done this, okay, basically you will find this flow also here. So I will not do save and transfer because there are certain other configuration. So the main configuration here as of now is to create your settlement document. That is your settlement document type. Okay. So if you want to go into settlement document type, I just close this. So close this. So in order to configure the settlement document type, you have to go to SPRO. I go to SPRO. I go to transport management. Oh, sorry. Server. I go to SPRO. I go to transportation management. Pet settlement. Settlement. And here, first of all, before creating settlement document, you need to define the number range. Okay. And once you have defined the number range, then you need to assign this number range while you are creating a settlement document type. So mine settlement document type was 0G6. And here if you see, this is the FSD type. This is the document description of the settlement type. The category is always 10 for settlement. You can track the change. Also, if you want to integrate with your BI/BW, you have to activate your business warehouse here. This is the number range interval. That means the number range which you have created in the previous step. You can define any specific default weight, volume, quantity, unit of measure. You can also specify default whether the charges to be viewed are group view or ungrouped view. This is the web intro apply config. That means in case you want to add any new fields or whether you want to add any new screens layout, you can do through the web intro apply config. This is the block reason. So block reason code means basically if you want to block your FSD due to certain reason, then you can use your reason code here. If you remember, within your freight order management, we had this block reason code created. Similarly, if you want to have different partner functions within your partner profile, then you create this partner profile here. And finally, you have your text type and text schema, which you can use. So text type and text schema is something which is actually used in case you want to basically capture any text. Okay. Any other question from anyone on this? So once I create the settlement document, then you have the option to create a credit memo. So credit memo means basically in case you are charged extra for any amount, that means the carrier is charging you more, then you can settle that amount using a credit memo. So you can create a credit memo against a freight settlement document. So if I click on this credit memo, so you can give a reason code why you want to create a credit memo. I say the reason is my overpaid. So and then you need to create a document type for credit memo where the category is 30. And then you can track the change. That basically if you want to track your any credit memo changes, you can do it. You can activate with your BI/BW. You can specify your number range interval here. You can create or specify your default unit of measure, weight, volume, quantity, etc. Output profile also you can do it. Okay, so if you want to trigger an output, okay, you can do it here. Okay, so this is output profile, output additional output profile, and then these are some of the default values like block reason, reason code, text type, text schema, same thing. Okay. Any other question from anyone? So this is all I have to do for your creation till FSD. So these are all the setups, all the configurations, what is required. Okay. So this is the different types of configuration you need to create before or within your TM site in order to have the settlement process created. And then the transfer part, I will start from tomorrow. So can we start at least till the creation of settlement? How much you have done? Can we see that now today? Anyone who wants to start off? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Hi, Brian.
yes.
Actually, I created the freight agreement, but there is a error that freight agreement and calculation sheet was not found. Okay.
Freight agreement and calculation sheets were not found. What is the freight agreement number? Can you give me your freight agreement number? Let me see
Yes,
what
sir.
freight agreement.
Yes.
Yeah, give it to me. 1 minute. Yes. Freight agreement, yes. Yeah, tell me.
SHTK_EGR.
Sorry, what is that?
I message you in chat.
Okay, let me check. SHTK_AGR. Okay, SHTK_AGR. So it's in process. So first of all, you need, okay, you were not able to save it, you told me, right? KDR is SHTK, purchase organization is this. You have your calculation sheet. So this is your freight agreement. So where is that message you got?
When I'm trying to charge calculation in FO.
Yeah, because it is in process, right? So you have to make it released. You make it release. Unless this
Okay.
is released, it will not work.
Okay. Thank you.
And you have to use this parameter, what you have used here. Purchase of carrier, and also you have to use
Yes.
this parameter.
Locations. Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is the other one? Okay. Any other thing? Anyone? Who is going to show today? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please share something. I need to see because everyone is to create. I told you last week, na? So
Yes, sir. And then last time I already show you the agreement part, tail agreement part is completed, man.
yes. So can you see if your freight order charge calculation is working?
I am trying to do this. The freight order is created, and now I am trying to create. Now I am trying to calculate the charges, but only the hierarchy appears, but the charge and rates are not appearing there.
So that means either your freight agreement parameter is not matching with your freight order parameter. That is the only thing. Just
Okay,
check with
okay,
the parameter.
okay, okay, Virendra. I'm checking.
What about the others? Anyone who wants to show?
Hello, Virendra. I have one question also here. That if in the freight agreement only we create the freight agreement on the basis of source location, then the charges appear in the freight order or not? If only source location is created without the
Yeah,
destination
no, that's okay. But if you only give based on source location, you should have the charge, but it's actually not a very good freight agreement because
Okay,
you
okay,
need to
okay.
provide some more parameter, right? Because
Source location, destination, means of transport.
yes, anything. Yes, you can do. You can also give based on region, city, anything.
Oh,
No one has anything to show apart from the person who showed me today. No one. Anyone who wants to show me?
Hi, friend. I created
Yes,
the
yes.
created the sales planning. Sorry,
Freight order.
selection profile and planning profile, but for international, it is not split in the stages.
It will not split the stages maybe because your transportation lane is not correctly set up. So what you can do here, you can basically create the stages manually from the freight unit. If you go to freight unit stages tab, you can create it manually.
Oh, I did it already. Thanks.
hello, hello, Virendra.
Yes, yes, yes.
When the stages are not split into the multiple stages, then I think the default route is also not maintained. Sometimes this issue
Yes,
comes.
yes. If default route is not maintained anyway, yes, multi-stage will not come. So that's why I told you that. Also, if you maintain default route also, or if you don't maintain default route also, still system can split it up based on the data in your transportation lane. Okay, so obviously one reason could be you are correct. That part is not there, but yes, you can still live without it also. So if you are practicing, better to create a default route and see the multi-stage so that you can create multiple freight orders.
Okay.
What about the other people? Why you are not guys are not practicing? I don't know. Still you are facing issue in accessing any server, any system? Because I only noticed 2 or 3 people only practice. It is a big group, right? What happened to the other people? You should reply, na, at least when I'm asking something, no one replies also.
Virendra is hello.
Yes, yes. Alok,
Yeah,
someone needs to take a lead of the other people because I'm
yeah.
asking so many times, no one responds. I think you should speak with your admin. I think to speak with the people because see, I can go forward with it, but it is not going to help anyone. No one responds except I think 2 or 3 people. Can you speak with the admin on this? I don't know who is responsible for arranging this and all. That at least people needs to speak up, right? Why they are not practicing?
Yeah, Virendra, I can check that. So for me, I can talk about a few things,
Yes, 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 yes,
but
yes.
yes,
Please tell
yes,
me.
obviously I can, I'll surely get an update on behalf of the team. So there were few, like I was not well last week.
Yeah.
So I missed the freight agreement part. So I was able to create the calculation sheet, chart sheet, rate tables, and I'm at the stage of creating the freight agreement. Uh, uh, Quick
Can you share your
question.
screen? I will
Yeah,
help you.
I can,
Sure, stop.
I can, I
Yes,
can,
yes,
I
yes.
can. Yeah, I'll just.
Yes.
Let me know if you can see. Yeah,
Yeah, I can see your screen.
okay. Well, I'm just going into the create.
So you can,
And
yeah.
it says, yeah, I can give
No,
my.
don't go. No, don't give any template. Just select the agreement type.
Okay, okay. I was just looking for that first thing. And as I can see, like there are a couple of them already. Probably these are the standard
So
ones, and yeah,
yeah, just select any Z1.
yeah, I see ZFRA or
Yeah, Z05 something. Yeah, select anything.
yeah, okay. So I can continue like without.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just give any name, priority, validity period. Do you remember your career and all?
Yeah, I think I created one probably. I was looking for the name. For now, I'll just put one and then I can come back and change it.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else in the rightmost thing like agreement priority or anything I have to put in?
So no, no, you don't have to put in anything.
Okay.
Go down
And and
and you
one
need to
thing,
add your calculation sheet. Yeah.
yeah, just one question. Document currency, like we saw one of the error when you were executing it. There was line item currency, like the condition record currency was there. So does it being controlled from here or that is independent of
No, that
this
is
document?
control through the selection. There is one profile which we need to select. So that is
Okay.
controlled from there. So you don't
Okay.
have to worry on that. I think you
Okay.
can proceed ahead.
Okay. And the items. So, only thing, this is the thing which I was missing. Like, do we have to enter something here, like, or it is
No,
predefined?
you leave it. Click on cross.
Oh, okay.
You have already entered the item type, leave it. You just enter the calculation sheet template. Scroll to the right, right.
Okay.
Calculation sheet, left, left. Now you have crossed that. You see the validity period below that.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
here
yes,
it is.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, the one which I have created, I'll have to enter that name. Yes. And these validities, as of now, like,
No, that's okay.
it
No, but you,
takes long.
its validity period should be within the agreement. What is the agreement validity period?
Yeah, this is what I have selected here in the
Okay,
agreement
it
item.
matches. Then click on the add calculation sheet tab.
That calculation sheet. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I can see the rates which I
There are
entered
two
later.
rate tables, right? One is your amount. First table is your rate table. Second is your manual charge. So if you want to give a manual, yeah, just give €1,000 or something for the manual. Yes, here. And for the first one, just select the line item. And click on display rate table. Go to dates and values tab.
I have to add the location here.
Yes.
It's only the source and destination location because I think I have given the parameters in the SA segment. So this should be all.
Yes. And what is the gross volume? Gross volume cannot be one, right?
Yeah, I didn't enter it. Yeah, that's one. Is it -1? It's not editable. Like, should I don't know.
I think what you have done, I don't know why it's coming
Yeah.
-1.
Yeah. That's what I was wondering. Like, it should be
No, maybe
maintained.
if you have to go to the calculation sheet, I think there's
Yeah.
something you made wrong there.
Yeah. But it should be coming from that, the calculation.
Yes.
Yeah. I can check that. I can check that. I
Uh-huh.
save this.
And then you click on save
Yeah.
and then release.
To go. Like I'll have to go back to the agreement, correct? And then only I can
Yeah,
say.
go back, click on save and click on release. Go up.
I'll change the career. Yeah. It's giving the error for career.
Yes.
So I can do the changes even if I release it, or I'll have
Yes.
to ensure that. Okay.
Yes, put it on release, and if you make any changes, change the status to in process, and again then release. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. I'll correct two things, that gross rate thing and carrier.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. I'll complete this and probably I'll come back and let you know.
Yes. Any other person? Because today I want everyone to complete till settlement. That's why I'm not doing the configuration for the other part. Yes, Resma, I am there. Tell me. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, once you release the agreement, then I check in FO the charge calculation is pick up, but value I maintain the value in the rate table, but it's not pick up in the FO. Can I show my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. The charge type is pick up, but amount is not. And in the rate table, I check the amount is entered. No.
TSPD rate is this. Go to a freight order. Go to the general data tab of your freight order. Go down. TSPD port of brand. Okay. What is the carrier? Carrier is matching 5001065 and SHTK. It is matching. Freight order is also your. It's in agreement is in release status, right?
Yes. Yes, you release this now.
Okay.
In charge table, show table. In charge show high date table. Rate table is pickup. Calculation sheet is pickup. Index rate table is not pickup.
Okay. So Z auto. So your charge is go up, scroll up. Click on that upper arrow. Upper arrow, up, right. Scroll to the extreme right. Right.
Yeah. Same,
No,
right?
don't go down. Don't go down. Yeah.
Yes.
Left, no, little bit go up. Little bit go up, little bit up.
Okay.
Yes. Click this. Yes. Click this. Click this. Go to charges. Calculate charge. Calculate charge. Why it's 0? Did you maintain your profile? Your company is in USD currency?
Yes. I think. Let me check.
And this, okay. No, but why it is manually tick mark? Wait. Why it is
Actually,
manual tick mark?
Actually, I didn't save it. Let me cancel it. Yes.
Okay. So your freight or so your charge is picked up, but it is not flowing into this. Okay. 1 minute.
Yeah. This one. My charge type is pickup, but amount is not showing in there.
So go to the freight agreement. Acha, did you create your rate table? Why did you? This is not through configuration.
Sorry.
Did you create your rate table through configuration? You created rate table template, right?
Yeah, I created rate table template.
No, I don't think so. Why? Are you sure? Go to general data. Go back. Okay. So
General
solution.
data.
Just scroll down. Sorry. Go back. Okay. I mean general data. Click on general data tab. I just want to. No.
And freight agreement or rate table.
No.
I'm in the rate
I don't want to see rate table. Go to freight agreement.
Freight
Close this rate table. Close this rate table. I think you have created rate table through NWBC. Where is the freight agreement?
Yeah, we are in freight agreement page.
Okay, this is a calculation sheet. Go down. Go down. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. This is your rate table. Okay. Go to display rate table now. So, go down. Go down, down, down. Research charges. Okay. Go to your dates and values tab. Okay, this is also released. Okay. Show oil details. Go to the scale items tab. Scale items. Yeah. So it's your loading source location, loading good, destination location, unloading good. Okay. Acha, now go to your freight order.
Freight order.
Go to freight order. Go to research charges tab. Research charge. Okay. Trigger charge calculation again through that 3 arrow. Did you create any profile? Okay, go to general data. Go to general data tab. Which is a purchase organization?
This one.
Go to PPOME. PPOME.
When we are in the company
No, your
organization.
your BSG org is what? 000. What is triple? What is the EC? What is the purchase org? 0008.
I take any difference from ECC.
Okay, and what is the charge profile? Charge profile is charge 01.
Yeah, I created this one.
Okay, did you assign this? Okay, charge profile you have assigned. You have assigned the charge profile. Can you show me the charge profile ID? In the
This one
configuration?
charge profile.
Yeah, just go to the configuration.
Charge profile. I open charge profile.
Okay, so local currency is what? Your No, see, calculation profile you have created in the first, it should be in the second. First one is for your LSP scenario.
Okay.
Copy
Yes,
paste
sir.
this below and put it below. That's okay. You can put the above value also same, no problem. Control V. Yeah. Just show me one more thing. Calculation profile, freight settlement profile. Okay. Now put the same CLC01 in the first also. Yeah. Put it in the above also. No problem. Yeah. Settlement profile settle 01. You put the same thing above also. Above.
Now, should I save it?
Yeah, save it.
Still amount is not
No, you have to click on
reflected.
reset. Click on reset charges.
Yeah, reset.
Oh. Charge calculation is still 6012. I have to check your. Can you go to your calculation sheet? Go to your calculation sheet.
In SPRO configuration,
Yes.
calculation sheet. Can you guide me where is the calculation sheet, the part of calculation sheet?
Go to templates.
Okay, on template. Yeah, first template, calculation sheet, calculation template. Mm,
Can you go to calculation sheet item?
calculation sheet.
Just double click that so that you can double click on the left window pane. Left window pane. Yeah, double click that. Yeah, yeah, double click this. Yes. So again, your charts type read table is same. Go down. Go down, down, down. mark is as mandatory.
Anything else?
Click on save. Can you just check now? Go to charge calculation, the 3 arrow. Okay. Charge calculation. Why for you is not coming? Do one thing, remove the carrier.
And save it.
Remove the carrier, save it.
Okay. Yes. After this.
Okay. One minute. Okay. Now put in the carrier again. Enter. Just see them. Will not come. Acha, can you put in manually? Let's see if we are getting any error messages. Just put any rate.
Manually.
Manually it is taking. That means some problem is there where automatic charge calculation is not happening. Okay. Okay, let me see this. 100554. We just come out of the freight order. It's 1554. In the meantime, can you just create with the new data? Let me see.
Create new order.
Yeah, just create a new sales order and just see if it works. Hello. Hello, did you create any new data?
Yes, I created.
Can you send me that?
I just planning FO.
Oh, okay. Just create with, and okay. Your data is departure is 13th. Okay.
Haven't. I
Yes,
created
yes.
FU and FO, and I tried to calculate charge. Still same error.
Same error,
I am
right?
facing. Yeah, and I pinned the FU number.
1 minute. Strange why it is not coming. This is freight unit. Okay. What is the freight order? This is freight order 1710. No, this is freight unit, right?
Yeah, rate order, sales order number. Yes.
No, this is freight unit number or freight order number?
Unit number.
Okay. So you are not entered any carrier. How it will? Okay, carrier is not showing. Okay, description is not there for 165. This is your. This is 165 SHTK. Okay, 165. Calculation one. Calculation once. Very strange. Next one coming. Your rule is getting captured. It is capturing the table, but it is not capturing the rate. It is not capturing that rate. Just a minute. I think this is I have created, right? This one, the start type, or you created.
Let me check. No.
I think I have created it. What is the calculation sheet? 581. Calculation CPS 581. Therefore, yes, yes. Okay. What is the charge profile you created? This one?
Yeah, CH.
Local currency is USD. Okay, then local currency is USD. Time zone is India and currency is USD. It's all green here, but why it is not showing there? Very strange.
Actually, I created the carrier. Maybe there is some configuration missing in carrier. That's why.
You don't have the vendor role. Create a vendor role also, FLVN01. Okay. You need to create a role. This role here, it's not there. 1 minute, I tell you.
Which one? Vendor BBP.
Yes, you create that role. Okay. Okay, what is your purchase? What is your purchase of? See, here it's 1059. What is the purchase of here?
It's a company org. That one is company org.
1 minute. Oh, okay, okay, sorry. Purchase of. Okay, 500165. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me check this. Why it is not coming. I'll come back to you tomorrow on this. Okay.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.